Break through Eddie James, doing it in the key of G. The original is in the key of D. So you can either, if you're on a piano or keyboard, you can transpose either up 7, right? If you're in G, you can go up 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 to D. Or you can go down 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to D, if you're on a piano. Okay, so this is just the lead, really simple. Key of G starts on a B. You go down, up to C, down to G. So it's just those 4 notes, okay? And it just repeats and repeats over your bass hand. That's all it is, okay? Bass hand you're doing for twice. Down to C. Also for twice. E minor for once, and then D for once. Then back to G for twice. Super easy, takes just a little bit of practice and you'll get it. So when you put it together, so you hit your bass note first, and then you start the lead. 2, 3, 4.